Final velocity v equals to what? Acceleration a equals to what? We know S equals to v plus u upon 2 into t, or 200 equals to v plus 0 upon 2 into 6, or 200 into 2 equals to v into 6, or 400 equals to 6v, or 400 by 6 equals to v, or 66.6 equals to v. Therefore, v equals to 66.6 meter per second. Again, S equals to ut plus half at square, or 200 equals to 0 into 6 plus half a into 6 square, or 200 equals to half a into 36, or 200 equals to 18 into a, or 200 upon 18 equals to a. Therefore, a equals to 11.11 meter per second square. Therefore, a equals to 11.11 meter per square second. 2. A bus is moving with the velocity of 36 km per hour. After seeing a boy 20 meters ahead in the road, the driver applies a brake and the bus gets stopped at 10 meter distance. Now, calculate the retardation as well as time taken by the bus to stop. Solution. Initial velocity u equals to 36 km per hour equals to 36 into 1000 divided by 3600 meter per second equals to 10 meter per second. Final velocity v equals to 0 meter per second. Displacement s equals to 10 meter. Time taken t equals to what? Retardation r equals to minus a equals to what? We know s equals to v plus u upon 2 into t, or 10 equals to 0 plus 10 upon 2 into t, or 10 equals to 5t, or 10 by 5 equals to t, or 2 equals to t. Therefore, t equals to 2 seconds. Again, v square equals to u square plus 2as, or 0 square equals to 10 square plus 2 into a into 10, or 0 equals to 100 plus 20a, or 20a equals to minus 100, or a equals to minus 100 upon 20. Therefore, a equals to minus 5 meter per square second. Therefore, retardation equals to minus a equals to 5 meter per square second. 3. A train is moving with the velocity of 45 km per hour. The driver applies brake and the train gets stop in 6 seconds. Now calculate retardation as well as distance covered by the train before coming to the rest. Solution. Initial velocity u equals to 45 km per hour equals to 45 into 1000 upon 3600 meter per second equals to 12.5 meter per second. Final velocity v equals to 0 meter per second. Time taken t equals to 6 seconds. Displacement S equals to what? Retardation R equals to minus A equals to what? We know S equals to P plus U upon 2 into T, or S equals to 0 plus 12.5 upon 2 into 6, or S equals to 12.5 into 6 upon 2. Therefore, S equals to 37.5 meter. Again, A equals to P minus U upon T, or A equals to 0 minus 12.5 upon 6, or A equals to minus 12.5 upon 6, or A equals to minus 2.08. Therefore, A equals to minus 2.08 meter per square second. Therefore, R equals to minus A equals to 2.08 meter per square second. Four. A car starting from the rest attains velocity of 90 km per hour in 10 seconds. Now calculate acceleration as well as distance covered by the car. Solution. Initial velocity u equals to 0 meter per second. Final velocity v equals to 90 km per hour equals to 90 into 1000 upon 3600 meter per second equals to 25 meter per second. Time taken t equals to 10 seconds. Displacement S equals to what? Acceleration A equals to what? We know S equals to P plus U upon 2 into T, or S equals to 25 plus 0 upon 2 into 10, or S equals to 25 into 10 upon 2. Therefore, S equals to 125 meter. Again, A equals to P minus U upon T. or A equals to 25 minus 0 upon 10, or A equals to 25 upon 10. Therefore, A equals to 2.5 meter per square second. Five. A car of 900 kg mass is moving at the velocity of 60 km per hour. It is brought into rest at 50 meter distance by applying brake. Now calculate the force required to stop the car. Solution. Mass m equals to 900 kg. Initial velocity u equals to 60 km per hour equals to 60 into 1000 upon 3600 meter per second equals to 16.66 meter per second. Final velocity v equals to 0 meter per second. Displacement s equals to 50 meter. Acceleration a equals to what? Force F equals to what? We know V square equals to U square plus 2AS, or 0 square equals to 16.67 square plus 2 into A into 50, or 0 equals to 277.8889 plus 100A, or 100A equals to minus 277.8889, or A equals to minus 277.8889 upon 100. Therefore, A equals to minus 2.77889 meter per square second. Again, F equals to ma, or F equals to 900 into 2.77889, or F equals to 2501, 2501. Therefore, F equals to 2501 Newton.